Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about the Diamond Audio plug and play head unit for 2014 and up Harley Davidson baggers. But first, I want to tell you all the reasons why I like this unit. First off, it powers up super fast. It connects via wireless to your Apple CarPlay device really fast. The audio has no lag in it. When you turn it up, you turn it down, and it sounds great. So here we are on the home screen. It has your media files, your AM/FM tuner. It has your Bluetooth phone capability, your regular Bluetooth connection capability. Here it has the built-in digital sound processor where you can set your crossovers and you can make small changes of all of the audio features for better sound. It has the Apple CarPlay system. You can go to the Apple CarPlay. You have all of your Apple CarPlay features as you would in any other unit with CarPlay. We've got a backup camera. It has Sirius XM radio. I can go into all my bike information here where it's going to connect to gauges and stuff like that. All the different gauges on my bike. All the different faces you can change. You can set and pick the gauges that you want to display. Alright guys, now that there was the Diamond Audio head unit for 14 and up Harley Davidson baggers. You can order them online at lifestylecycles.com or come over here to our brick and mortar store and check them out for yourself.